Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my secret page review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm gonna give you a full overview. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of the secret page. Now, in a nutshell, the secret page is gonna allow you, or is gonna teach you a method where you're gonna set up a secret page, which is the discount page. Most affiliates, when it comes to promoting products, they set up a review article on their blog, and once people come to that review article, they're gonna add some bonuses and they're gonna put the link to the sales page. Once people click on that link, they will be taken straight through the sales page where they can pick up their copy of that product, just like the review that you are watching right now. But the secret behind this course is that it's going to show you how to set up a secret page between the review article or the bonus page and the sales page. And this page, or this secret page, is going to boost your conversion up to 10x because it's a discount page and people like to save money. So if you show people on how to save money, if you redirect people from your review article or bonus page to a discount page, this is owned by you, but they don't know that. So basically, they are redirected to a discount page. They are more likely to buy because because sometimes people may go through your review video and your bonus page and they click on the link, they land on the sales page, but they don't buy because of the price or they hesitate. But if you add this discount page in the middle, if you chunk it up in the middle, you're gonna get so much more conversion. So if that interests you in any way, stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything. If you like to pick up the secret page anytime during watching this review video, just click on the link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page, scroll down and click on one of these red buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can scroll down and pick up your copy of the secret page. You have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses. These bonuses are exclusive to me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So make sure and bear in mind that you have to pick up via my bonus page to get access to all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up this secret page. My first bonus is going to be access to Urgency Suites Pro. Now, Urgency Suites Pro is going to allow you to add these scarcity bars to your pages. Imagine if adding these scarcity bars to these discount pages, you're going to get up to 600% more conversion rate. And you can also add these countdown timers inside these discount pages that you're going to set up using the method shown inside the secret page training. This tool is currently selling for $97. I'm giving you access for free as my first bonus. My second bonus is going to be access to Cartel Pro and license rights to Cartel. Basically, you can sell a Cartel as your own product. A Cartel Pro is a landing page builder. It's a pro landing page builder. You can build landing pages, bonus pages, whatever you want. So you basically can build these bonus pages or review articles using Cartel. I'm also giving you license rights to it, so you can sell Cartel as your own. My third bonus, this bonus is going to be exclusive to the first upsell only. So if you don't buy the first upsell, you're not gonna get this bonus, unfortunately. But if you decided to pick up the first upsell via my bonus page, you're gonna get access to this upsell. My third upsell is a time sensitive upsell for the first 12 hours only. I'm gonna give you access to done for you bonus pages. You don't need to pick up the first upsell. All you have to do is pick up the front end. In this bonus is all yours for free. I'm gonna give you done for you bonus pages to plug right here, so you don't have to write any review articles or bonus pages. All you have to do is make the discount page using the methods shown in the secret page. Basically, you have to watch the secret page training to learn how to build these secret page discount pages. I'm giving you access to this as my third bonus. My fourth bonus is going to be a hack on 3 other ways to make money with the secret page. I'm going to show you how to make money using the methods shown inside the secret page. My fifth bonus is going to be access to Aurora Pro. I always give access to this because you can get unlimited traffic. All you have to do is plug in Pinterest accounts and Instagram accounts. You can add as many as you want, and what Aurora does, it's gonna go ahead and follow people in a certain niche. So once you follow people, they're gonna be wondering who is this guy that is following me. They're gonna click on your profile, and inside your profile you're gonna have the link that is gonna take to your review article or to your bonus page. Hopefully you can drive hundreds and thousands of visitors per day using Aurora. My sixth bonus is going to be access to all the vendors bonuses. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up the secret page via my link. I'm really sorry guys, I'm really tired. It's my third review of the day and I really please excuse me if you don't understand some of my words. English is not my first language. I'm not a native speaker, but I try to make this review and I'm pretty sure that my bonuses are the best. Feel free to check around and see what other affiliates are offering in terms of bonuses. Once you realize that my bonuses are the best and the most useful, come back to my page, come back to this video, click on the link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page, click on one of these red buttons and you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy. Now let's hop inside the members area. First we have the welcome video and we have the done for you campaigns right here. If you want to upgrade, this is gonna be the first upgrade. The video number 2 is gonna be your affiliate review site. Sorry for the noise guys, I'm just gonna pause and come back. Excuse me guys, I'm really sorry, we are having some constructions work inside my house. My second video is gonna be, or the second video of the training is gonna be your affiliate review site. He's gonna show you on how to set up the affiliate review site, your discount site right here. Video number 4, the viral traffic tsunami software. We have the case study right here, done for you campaigns. You can download 10 done for you campaigns, and we have the bonuses. As you can see, it's pretty simple training, but it's effective because this guy has made, I think, up to $2,000 in 48 hours using the discount page method or the secret page method. Let's check the sales page and the claims made here from 0 up to 1,915 in 2 days. Add in just one simple secret page containing less than 100 words instantly and transformed my boring and broke affiliate campaigns into a commission multiplying cash vacuuming machine virtually overnight. We have some bullet points right here. If we scroll down, we have the payment proof right here, and we have the black belt team, Art Flair, Ram Rawat, and Palab Ghoshal. We have some info about the secret page and all that good stuff. You can check out the sales page at your own time. Now let's talk about the prices in the upsells. All I just showed you inside the members area, all the training modules, it's gonna be for $17. The first upsell is going to be 20 done for you for $67. You're going to get 20 done for you plug and play secret pages campaign. No experience or skill required. Get money making campaigns and up and running almost instantly. You will make up to $1,915 every 48 hours, just like he did. Whether you pick up the first upsell or the downsell for $47, you're still gonna get access to my second bonus right here, which is gonna be the Cartel Pro plus the license rights. I'm gonna give you access whether you pick up the upsell or the downsell. The second I'm sorry, the second upsell of the secret page is gonna be automated list building for $47. Activate this brand new software to automatically generate big targeted list of subscribers. You can make money from over and over again. Here is what you get when you grab the brand new autopilot software. Set up the software in just 5 minutes, no tech experience, get money making affiliate email list, and 30 days 100% money back guaranteed. Again, once you are hit with the sales page of the second upsell, scroll down, it will say no thanks, click on it, you'll be able to pick it up for $37 instead of $47. The third upsell is going to be 100 done for you affiliate emails for $47, 100 blast in hot, plug and play, high converting follow-up affiliate emails proven to generate commissions on demand. Again, once you are hit with the third upsell, scroll down, click on no thanks, you'll be hit with the third downsell for $27 instead of $47. Fourth upsell is going to be the reseller pack for $197. You can sell VidViper, their previous launch, in 5 high converting funnels as your own product and keep 100% commissions up to $498 per sale, and you're gonna get all the promo materials as well. You can get it for the downsell, which is $67. Again, scroll down, click on no thanks, blah blah blah. The fifth upsell is gonna be 6-figure training for $47. You're gonna get access to Instagram traffic module, Google Ads module, product creation module, all this for $47. I think this is a no-brainer. The fifth upsell is definitely a no-brainer. Sadly, we don't have a downsell right here, but this is still a great deal. The sixth upsell is going to be the case studies for $37. Copy and paste from eight of our real life case studies. Each one of us hundreds of dollars. It's 100% done for you. Basically, they are case studies. You get access to 8 live case studies for $37. Definitely consider picking up the sixth upsell. So what I recommend you pick up, obviously pick up the front end, the first upsell to get license rights to Cartel plus Cartel Pro. Whether you pick it up on the downsell for $47 or $67 as you want. The upsell number 2, it's the automated list building. If you want to build your email list, pick it up for the second downsell for $37. 100% done for you emails. You definitely don't need the third upsell. The fourth upsell, if you want to sell their previous product as your own for $197. Pick it up for $67 if you want to do that. The fifth upsell, it's a no-brainer, and the sixth upsell is a no-brainer. This was my review of the secret page. I hope you like it. Please excuse that I'm not a fluent speaker of English, and I'll see you guys in the next review video. Peace out.